American scientists from Colossal Biosciences have made a breakthrough, claiming that they will be able to recreate mammoths. Additionally, the scientists revealed when they will be able to recreate dinosaurs. Artificial intelligence has surpassed humans in the majority of tests for creative potential. This means that humanity is closely approaching the creation of a super powerful AI. Toyota Research Institute delighted robotics enthusiasts with a new robot, and OpenAI announced that they will create a new powerful artificial intelligence for figure robots. These and other high-tech news in one video. American scientists from Colossal Biosciences have made a breakthrough and announced that they will be able to recreate mammoths. Additionally, the scientists revealed when they will be able to recreate dinosaurs. But first, about mammoths. The closest living relatives of mammoths are currently Asian elephants, which could be genetically modified to bear a greater resemblance to mammoths. Colossal Biosciences scientists have successfully reprogrammed the skin cells of Asian elephants into an embryonic state. This success paves the way for creating elephants with features similar to extinct woolly mammoths. Scientists have created 4 lines of specialized stem cells that can differentiate into various types of animal cells. Representatives of the company also stated that, in the near future, in addition to mammoths, they plan to resurrect representatives of 2 more extinct species, the dodo bird and the Tasmanian tiger. The company representatives also addressed the main question: can dinosaurs be brought back to life? After all the mentioned creatures became extinct relatively recently, and the oldest DNA sample is only about 1 million years old, whereas dinosaurs went extinct 66 million years ago. However, red blood cells and other soft tissue elements have been preserved in dinosaurs, offering potential avenues for obtaining DNA in the future. Undoubtedly, DNA is easier to extract from the soft tissues of animals, such as blood vessels, nerves, and muscles. From dinosaurs, only fossils remain, and soft tissues have been decomposed a lot of time ago. Obtaining material from fossils is very challenging, as DNA molecules degrade over time. Studies show that it ultimately takes about 7 million years for their decay. The last dinosaur died at the end of the Cretaceous period, over 65 million years ago. This means that even with the use of new technologies available to scientists today, resurrecting a dinosaur from its DNA is impossible. Among the alternative methods being explored is reverse engineering, manipulating the genetics of birds to create something resembling a dinosaur, since birds are considered direct descendants of dinosaurs. Unfortunately, recreating dinosaurs in the near future is unlikely. Even if scientists manage to restore fragments of dinosaur DNA, creating a fully functional animal is not possible. Researchers would have to combine fragments of prehistoric creatures with some other animal to obtain a living organism. In other words, it would be a hybrid, not a dinosaur. However, with the development of technologies, the likelihood of resurrecting prehistoric monsters increases every day, as the imminent appearance of mammoths demonstrates. Share in the comments if you would like to see live dinosaurs. The Toyota Research Institute delighted all robotics enthusiasts with a new robot. The company's projects are always unconventional and interesting, which is why we follow them with special pleasure. The new soft humanoid robot, Toyota Punyo, is designed to gently hug and carry bulky objects with its entire body, just like a human. The robot, with its genuinely cute and friendly appearance, is dressed in a large, cozy sweater made of special materials filled with tactile sensors. These sensors assist Punyo in precisely feeling what it is hugging, whether it's a person or an object it is carrying. The robot has large, soft paws, as the engineers themselves call them, consisting of 13 air-filled chambers whose pressure can be adjusted. They end with inflatable cushions with a pattern inside, controlled by cameras. When the robot touches something, the pattern deforms, and Punyo understands what it has touched. Engineers train Punyo using teleoperation to manipulate various large objects nearby. Sometimes the robot needs to lean forward to pick up an item, sometimes lean back, and sometimes throw it over its shoulder, for example. Developers also place items in the robot's hands and observe how it moves to hold them. In September 2023, Toyota was one of the first companies to demonstrate robot training through demonstrations. The robots were given several examples of how to perform dozens of different culinary tasks. Then they tried to replicate the actions of a human in a simulated environment for hours, and afterward demonstrated the acquired skills in reality. Punyo uses the same training process but with an included element. Engineers rank variables for the robot, giving preference in different tasks to precision, speed, or efficiency. Four-legged robots are increasingly being used in various scenarios, from inspections to rescue operations. To enhance the functionality of such a robot, it often requires an assisting limb, a manipulator attached to the back of the bot. However, this complicates the design and control, increases the weight, and makes the machine more expensive. Therefore, engineers at the Robotic Systems Lab decided to explore what operations a robot dog could perform with its legs. It turns out there are quite a few. The developers employed reinforcement learning policies and demonstrated the capabilities of the robot. For example, it is quite adept at opening doors and carrying bags. OpenAI has announced that it will create a new powerful AI for the robot company Figure. California-based startup Figure, specializing in the creation of humanoid robots for warehouses and manufacturing, has secured $675 million in investments from heavyweights in the technology industry, including Microsoft, OpenAI, NVIDIA, and others. As a result, the current valuation of the company has reached $2.6 billion. OpenAI and Figure have also signed a collaboration agreement under which Sam Altman's company will develop next-generation artificial intelligence models for Figure's robots. Figure has also announced a partnership with OpenAI to leverage their expertise in artificial intelligence for the development of new models that will be applied in managing Figure's robots. Last month, the company showcased its Figure 01 robot prototype, which learned to make coffee by simply observing humans. According to Adcock, OpenAI's models will contribute to the machine learning capabilities of the robot's operating system. Last month, Figure signed an agreement with the automaker BMW to develop and implement robots in car manufacturing. Figure was founded just a couple of years ago by former employees of Boston Dynamics, Tesla, Google DeepMind, and Archer Aviation. The company is likely to compete with Tesla and its humanoid robot Optimus, as well as with the startup Agility Robotics, which is already collaborating with Amazon to test its humanoid robot Digit in warehouses for handling and preparing packages. Artificial intelligence has surpassed humans in the majority of tests for creative potential. Unconventional thinking is characterized by the ability to generate unique responses to questions that have no correct answers, such as, how is the best way to avoid talking about politics with parents? This is also an indicator of how creatively humans can think. In a new study, 151 individuals competed with ChatGPT-4 in 3 tests designed to measure unconventional thinking. According to the researchers' assessment, GPT-4 provided more original and detailed responses than humans. However, this does not necessarily mean that human creativity is under threat. As long as AI lacks free will, this threat can be considered purely hypothetical, but this study still raises concerns. GPT-4 demonstrated high creative potential across the set of tasks for unconventional thinking. Although large language models may outperform humans in some creative tasks, it is still unclear whether they pose a threat to human creativity. At the same time, using artificial intelligence as inspiration and support for humans in the creative process promises new possibilities and expands the very boundaries of creativity. In general, artificial intelligence is advancing at incredible rates, and humanity is incredibly close to creating super-powerful AI. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Caro Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. See you next time.